digitally. Today we would be talking about and understanding why is it important to have your website, the website that you have, to be mobile friendly, to be good on mobile, to look good on mobile, to work well on mobile. Why is it important and what are the key things that you should be making sure are good on your mobile website? Yes, mobile website. You should be having in today's time a mobile website. Hello friends, this is Real Estate Websites and Marketing with Sawan Kumar. We over here make sure that marketing is no longer a puzzle for you, technology no longer a trouble, and you and your business goes digital. Yes, we do make sure that, and we do everything to make sure that you have no problems in doing online, getting digital, and scale your business digitally. Today we would be talking about and understanding why is it important to have your website, the website that you have, to be mobile friendly, to be good on mobile, to look good on mobile, to work well on mobile. Why is it important and what are the key things that you should be making sure are good on your mobile website? Yes, mobile website. You should be having in today's time a mobile website. I'm not saying that having a desktop website is bad, but you should now equally, or I would actually say we should be focusing more on how your mobile website looks like. Mobile website used to be a secondary thing until a few years back, but today when the number of people searching online have increased for the people on mobile than the people who are on desktop, and that is the reason why Google has made its algorithm, changed its algorithm, and brought in features or codes or crawlers or robots that make sure that your website is mobile friendly. Only if your website is mobile friendly, is mobile responsive, is mobile ready, your website gets ranked. That is the recent change Google has brought, and if you want to come first, if you want to come on top of the Google search engines, you have to make sure that your website is mobile friendly. With the ever increasing speed of machine learning, artificial intelligence, computers are becoming human. The more computers are becoming human, the more natural things are happening in Google. When you search something on Google, it is becoming natural. As more and more people are searching for things on Google from their mobile, Google also is getting mobile. But if your website is not getting mobile, if your website is not changing for better, then you are in a trouble, because you would not be seen. You will not come up on the search index. That is how important it is. So what exactly should you be looking at when you are on the mobile? When your website is on the mobile, it is a completely different experience, right? A website on the desktop and a website on the mobile, they are completely different experiences. So what do we do? How do we know, or how do we get to understand that our website is good for mobile? Well, the first and the most important thing is you have online tools to check whether your website is Google mobile friendly or not. Go to them. There's a Google tool. There are other tools available to make sure that your website is mobile friendly or not. Go and check your website there. That is the technical way to figure out if your website is mobile friendly or not. The second thing to make sure that your website is good on mobile is you need to make sure that the moment you land on your website on your mobile, it looks attractive. That is the first impression. It looks attractive. It gives the exact message that the customer wants to listen. It is not cluttered. It is not distorted because it just arranged or rearranged something from the desktop to mobile. No, it should not be that way. Your website, the first page that loads when somebody comes to your website, should be clear, should be good, should be impressive. Once you have taken care of that, make sure that there is a clear CTA. If you want your visitors to take some action, show that to them immediately and prominently somewhere on the top right side with a good button, and ask them, maybe schedule a call, buy now, or whatever your call to action is. Have it prominently displayed. Now once you have taken care of the CTA buttons, next is to make sure that the sections that are there on the mobile website are clear enough and give a clear impression or understanding of what you want to say. The information nowhere at no stage should be cluttered. It should be extremely clear. So now when you have made sure that the navigation, the CTA buttons are clear, next is the navigation. How people can navigate on your website. You have seen that small hamburger menu that we call, with those 3 lines or a cross, and when you click on that, a menu comes up on the mobile screen. Yes, that has to be extremely clear, easy and understandable once again. Once you click on that, it takes me to that particular section easily without creating a lot of mess. And the most important thing is with speed. People want one thing on mobile, and that is speed. Your website cannot take forever to load. So also make sure, in addition to the navigation part of it, you are making sure that your website is blazing fast. It nowhere compromises on the speed. Then the images and the videos that you use on your website, it remains the same as it is important on the desktop website. It is equally important on your mobile screen. The images and the videos you use should be of high quality, of the best quality, and should be exactly relaying or saying what you want to say. The text that is there on the website, on your mobile website, should not be very small, should not be very big. They should not be broken. They should not look like broken, like a certain part of the text goes down and the certain part of the text remains above. That should not happen. The text should be clear, of an accurate size, so that it is easily readable by the eyes. That is something that you need to take care of. And then is all the links to your other social media things, because on mobile people are really quick to go to your social media platforms. So an easy way to connect to your other social media channels, and an easy way to reach out to you. It could be by filling up a contact form, by calling you, by mailing you, whatever it is, an easy way to fill up or reach out to you, and a nicely displayed address or the company details. So these are the things that will make you trustworthy, not only in the eyes of the customers, but also in the eyes of Google. So make sure that you are taking care of these things to ensure that Google ranks your website on the top when it comes about mobile websites.